How to record shows on a Samsung Smart TV. I'm going to show you how to record shows on a Samsung Smart television. First, not all Samsung Smart televisions support recording. To check that, just go to Settings, Broadcasting, Cloud DVR or PVR. If you do see these options, that means your TV can record. Now connect a USB drive or external hard drive. Samsung TVs require a USB drive or an external HDD for recording. So plug it into the USB port at the back of your TV and just follow the on-screen setup. Now schedule the recording. Press the guide button on your remote, find the show you want to record, and then just press the record button. Or select schedule recording from the options menu. To watch your saved shows, just go to Sources, USB drive, Recordings, and select your program.